What's up, what's up? Borrow a mate's bike, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Take it riding, now it won't start, they said. Down here at Buzz Bikes in Bayswater, Greg's like, grab some tools, you muppet, you're pulling it apart, you're going to fix it. And Greg's going to give us a bit of a chop out. So, kickstart has got a bit of a thing going on. What do you reckon?
Yeah, locked up, mate.
She's locked up. So we'll whip the cover off and see what we find under there. Stay tuned.
Sure. We go back together or we pulling it off?
Put everything back together! See, this
Okay, there's the problem right there.
I said it was missing a tooth, didn't I?
On the kick again.
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh, sorry, mate. And your tooth's around there somewhere.
Sheesh.
That's never ideal.
Yeah, that's not ideal. What did I say? It felt like it had a tooth off, didn't I? So is that bloody bit floating in there, stuck?
No. It would have come out the exhaust, mate.
Gone through all the valves. Fucking great. This is why you don't park your bike up for 7 years, kids, and let me ride it.
Yeah, I'll have to pull some more bits apart.
Yeah, bugger. Welcome back to VoiceOver Mac. Here's Greg just removing a couple of the hoses and the headers so we could pull that top plate off to remove that gear and find the teeth, I hope. And there's the look of the inside of a gearbox. You did that quick, mate. Come on, find the other
it was
teeth.
only 30 seconds or so, wasn't it?
Yeah. Tamara said you do some of your best work.
30 seconds a record. In a bad way, not a good way.
Look out, ladies.
Oh, yeah.
He's a natural on camera, though.
You think?
Just a true professional.
Yeah. There it is,
So
mate.
bloody Yamaha sold us a dodgy bloody...
Yeah, back in 05. I think that was from the factory.
They're under warranty, aren't they?
Yeah.
Done a bit of fishing and found our little teeth, so we can go back to the dentist and get them zapped back on to my gear. Mars is upstairs just looking for a new gear because that's where those two teeth are missing from. Hopefully they've got one in stock. This has only been like 20 minutes work so far, and Jared would have done this in about 2 days, I reckon.
Probably 10 minutes.
10 minutes, all right, let's be honest. I was just going through the back of the car and I found one of these.
Oh, you got one in stock?
Yeah, I got one, so
Oh, that was lucky. And I just went through your car too and I think I found a clutch cover gasket.
God, we're lucky. This has been like a wonderful day.
This is the luckiest day ever.
If you don't come to Buzz Bikes with the parts in your car, you can't get it fixed. Hello. Hello. Yes, and you get attacked by the cutest dog ever. And we found both teeth. People thinks that we didn't. There they are. There's two teeth.
We're missing 3, mate.
No, we're not. We're missing 2. Relax. Yeah, I've got 3. All right, I'm going to continue cleaning on, cleaning off, and waxing on. And
Waxing off.
this will be an hour and 20-minute change around.
Yep.
You've done well. You've done well. Come down, see Greg, Buzz Bikes. Tomorrow I'll book you in. Get your bike fixed. You won't.
You won't.
You won't. Turned out that starter was for a 250, not a 450, which has slightly smaller shaft, and wasn't going to work. So we've got onto one. It's coming soon, so I've decided to clean everything up in preparation for when we're back to it. All right, it's going to be part 2 of this video because we've got a part coming from Bayswater, but old mate's still working right now, so tune back in when we've got the part. All right, back here, got a bit of bribery. Buzz Bikes. Look them up, you won't. No entry to the workshop.
No.
No entry to the workshop.
Pretty much, because I just started.
How you going?
Pretty good. Yeah.
Oh, super, thanks for asking. Hang on, day 2. What's he done?
He's got the part.
He's got the part, it's in, and it's done. God. That was the fastest time-lapse video ever.
That wasn't time lapse, was it?
Yeah, I was lapsing for the time that
Right,
you took
yeah,
to
you
do
were
it.
lagging.
Oh, stop it. Alright, so you've cleaned everything up. Amazing.
So you're ready to go.
That gasket that I found in my boot.
Yep, it was the right one.
I found a box of beers in my car today. Like, everything's just comes
Everything's
up-
in your car.
Everything's in my car. Alright, so next step, case on, and just start threading out bolts.
Yeah,
Yeah, amazing.
pretty simple.
Alright. I'll put myself on time lapse doing that.
Yeah.
Alright, happy days. Oh. And that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, why not? Boom! Come on, get that boot scooting foot over here. Come on. You. No.
What are you doing?
Start it.
Yeah, no.
Your legs look just as strong as mine. Just kick it like that. If you buy it, that's how easy it starts. You know, I would have been sitting there going kadoo kadoo for like 20 times. 2 little bloop bloop. So you could have done that, Mars.
Yeah.
Made me look like a muppet.
Did you try to start it?
No, I did not want to go near it. I broke it last time I started it. And this is what got us to this mess today. So, cheers to that.
Thanks for calling the shop a mess.
Thank you. Come down to this messy shop.
We know where everything is.
I found the vice grips, that got us through. Come down, see these guys. They'll look after you. They'll charge you my price. It's all good. It's double than normal.
Yeah.
You got to bring a box of beers to half the price. That's how we roll.
Yeah.
All right, can't thank Greg enough. Legend. Cheers, mate.
All good.
For sale. Come get it. You won't.
Bye.
Still been held together.
Oh, get stuck.
Yeah.
He's just demonstrating.